One of the biggest contradiction of massive success is when people go to their moms, their dad, their brother, sister, boyfriend, girlfriend. They say, listen, one day the world's gonna know who I am. One day I will have a Ferrari, the Lambo, the rules, the Bentley, the big house, the cars, the backyard with a swimming pool and elevator. I'm gonna throw a biggest parties. I'm gonna be a millionaire one day. Yeah, instead of staying at the office on Friday night. You call your friends and go party. Instead of waking up Saturday morning to go to the gym. You sleep until 10 o'clock instead of reading the book on Saturday. You kick back and watch movie all day long. The reality is very simple. Those who win big, they do 4 things right. They sleep, sweat, grind, repeat. And they do it over and over and over again. Until their dreams become a reality. If you can get through to doing things that you had to do. On the other side is greatness. You gotta have the mentality to show up every day of your life. No matter what life throws at you. It's our responsibility to show up to the calcium of life. Prepare for battle. I don't care what you're going through, what life threw at you. It's your responsibility to find your new 100%. You still must grind. I fail at most things I do. But still I grind. I don't wanna do half the shit I do. But still I grind. And then one day you see me down the dark alley. Running at 1 o'clock in the morning, no one thing. I was grinding. Every single day when you wake up, you got 2 options. You can look at the clock and hit the snooze. You can look at that snooze button and boom. You can hit the snooze button and go back to bed. And dream about what you wanna have. Or you can look at that snooze button, kick that cloak and get up. And go pursue your dreams. You need to walk through the mud in your life, guys. If you ever wanna get to the higher ground, the higher ground is where you look in the mirror and you have respect. That you went through the work. The sweat equate of it all. And the end product is something you can be proud of. A legacy in life that you put your signature to. That means something. You not speaking hello words. You backing those people up with action. That's what lions do. Lions don't give up. Lions don't quit. Lions hunt. That's what we do for a living. I still grind. I love the grind. If you're competing with one of my business, I'm gonna kick your ass. Cause I'm gonna outground you. You have to be willing to work in place. People don't see. While the other guy's sleeping, I'm working. While the other guy's eating, I'm working. There's a people out there who wants what you have, who wants the position you are, who wants the job you have, who wants the wife that you have or the husband. There's something out there hungry. They want everything you have. So make that a motivation for you. And mental toughness says, not only do I climbing that the Dogon mountain, I enjoy climbing the mountain. I got kicked out of the mountain. I got kicked out of the weights. I got kicked out of the fatigue. I got kicked out of the grind. I got a kick out of it. You take advantage of this opportunity. You let everything else go. You eat different. You study different. You practice different. We don't have forever. Let's not act like it. We all going to die. And so don't act like I'm gonna live forever. So every opportunity, I gotta murder it. Process driven. I love you. I'm about that life. I get up every morning at 3 o'clock. When I wanna get up, when I don't, when I feel like it, and I don't feel like it. Why? Cause I'm the process driven. I'm not feeling driven. Champions are not feeling driven. Champions don't give up when they want to. And if we're gonna be champions, process driven. Don't stop when you're tired. Stop when you're done.